Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
The liquid inside young coconuts can be used as a substitute for a blood plasma. Nerve fiber length in human brain is about 850,000 km. If a pregnant woman has organ damage, the baby in her womb sends stem cells to help repair the organ. Airtel is the first Indian carrier demonstrative live 5G services. This is a fungi known as dead people's fingers. Every tiger color mutation in one photo. 800 years old church in Ethiopia carved from a single stone. Mysterious Dewey dog looks like a hybrid of a cat and dog. Your mind can sense someone staring at you when you are asleep. After an accident, this tiger had its tooth replaced with a gold one. An octopus with 96 tentacles was caught in Japan in 2008. A man once tattooed Netflix on his body, and after tweeting a picture to the company, he received a free year of service. Coco the gorilla understands 2000 words of spoken English and had 1000 sign language responses. Died at the age of 46. Princess Diana met comedian Rowan Atkinson in 1984. This jar with more than 40,000 coins buried during the medieval period in Japan. Daniel Radcliffe broke 80 prop wands throughout the Harry Potter series because he liked to use them as drumstick. Having both red hair and blue eyes is the rarest combination in humans. Over 2 lakh people have already applied for a one-way trip to colonize Mars in 2022. The founder of KFC is actually from Indiana, not Kentucky. Woolly mammoths were still alive when the pyramids were built. Elasmotherium, a big rhinoceros that existed as early as 25,000 years ago, also known as Siberian unicorn. Kim Jong-un learned to drive at age of 3, according to a textbook in North Korea. There's a mental phenomenon that causes you to see monsters in mirrors, called the Troxler phenomenon. The largest seed in the world, Lodoicea maldivica, the seed of palm tree. This is known as the beautiful bridge to ship. Onions have been proven to lower cholesterol, reduce chances of stroke, and reduce chances of various types of cancer. A massive rock in Finland is resting on a curved surface. No one knows How it was done. This shoe-built stroke looks like a person in a bird suit. The most trippy vegetable on earth, Romanesco. Different caliber bullets cut in half.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.